Welcome back to Nomadic Tales, everybody. I'm Matt, and today we're on the Table Mesa outside New River, Arizona. We have made a huge impact on picking up all this target practice trash. It is amazing, and even though there's still so much out here, we have made leaps and bounds. We only have a few more days left of the cleanup, and it looks like a bunch of trash has been left here from... Let's go pick up bullets. Another. Oh, there's dogs. Hi, mate. Whoa. And that's what we're working towards. It's okay. Is it okay? Poor little guy, born in the dirt. Oh, we'll have to get you home. Today, we're gonna get out of here. What you see now, hopefully I splice in a picture or another video of what this area looked like before. And we did a bunch of work. It's been a great couple weeks here. That baby dog had her litter of puppies. But we did an amazing job, like so much better. Probably 500 or 600 pounds of garbage. But as you can tell, there's so much more. And this is about where I ended, because there's only so much time in a day. As you can tell, there's a stark difference. You know, I started working over here. Let's see if you can tell where I started cleaning up. I rigged up a bunch of glass. It just takes so much time to do all this. But the sun is setting, and it's time to go up and mine some gold. We're gonna miss this sunshine and hot weather.